from the east side of America, where we choose pride over character, and we can pick sides, but this is us.
Hi guys, I'm Alexia, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this colorful halo eye look. I am super happy how this look turned out. I actually got inspired by cle.makeup from Instagram. His name is cle.makeup. I'll put his name right here. He's super talented, and I wanted to do a look that was inspired by him because I wanted to kind of get out of my comfort zone and do something that was a little bit different and something that I don't normally do. I love how this look turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I do. If you guys want to see how I created this halo eye right here, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have already done my brows, and I used Anastasia Beverlyhills dip brow in dark brown, and then I put oh my god, I cannot talk today. I cut my brows out with a Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Beige, and then I set my lid with Tarte Shape Tape for my primer for my eyeshadow, and here we are now. So I got inspired from somebody off of Instagram. Their name is cle.makeup, cle.makeup, and this is the look. As you can see, it's super pretty and colorful, and I really haven't done too much super colorful things on here for you guys, and those are some of my favorite looks to do, so that's what I'm going to do for you guys today. So yeah, let's get started. Oh, it looks like the first color he uses is like an orangey color, so let's see. I'm going to go in with the Royal Beauty palette today. And the first shade I'm going to go in with is this yellowy shade right here. And I'm going in with a eyeshadow brush from It Cosmetics. So I'm just patting this onto my eye carefully. I'm not blending it out at all. I'm just setting it on my crease. Now that the color is all set in my crease, I'm just slowly going to be blending upwards toward the brow. Alright, and then the next shade that I'm going to be going in with is this more orangey dark shade right here, and this brush that I'm using is the MAC 217 brush. Going back in with the other brush and blending out the edges. And going back in with that orangey shade. It's kind of actually a little bit more peachy once it's on the lid. And once again, going back in with the It Cosmetics brush and blending the edges out. Alright, now I'm going in with the Royal Rage purple eyeshadow from Star Crushed Minerals. And we're just setting this in the crease as well. Okay, and then right on top of this color, I'm going to go in with this lighter purple shade called Orchid. Going back in with the orangey peachy shade that we used earlier and blending out the edges. And now I'm bringing this purpley shade down towards the outer corner of my eyelid and also bringing it towards the inner corner of my eyelid. Alright, now going in with Tarte Shape Tape and using a flat brush, and I'm going to be making a halo eye. Alright, now with my finger I'm going to be blending out the edges and just by patting my finger. Alright, now for the outer corners I'm going to be using this blue shimmery color right here. And I'm using the Morphe M224 brush. And just patting it on the outer part of the concealer. Alright, now going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette and using this bright shade right up here. And this shade is going to go right in the center. Okay, now I'm going back in with the M506 brush and taking the dark purple shade from Star Crush Minerals and blending the outer blue in with the purple. Alright, and that's the finished eye. I'm going to do the other eye off camera and I'll be back. Alright, I'm going in with Catrice Cosmetics mascara. Alright, and I'm going in with the lash.kitty lashes in Arianna. Alright, now for my face I'm going in with the Benefit Professional. I'm going to be patting this all in my skin. Alright, now I'm going in with my beauty sponge and then I'm using the new Dior Nude Air Foundation. This is a very light foundation, but it's like very full coverage. This foundation is super good if you don't like too thick of a foundation, but you do like a full coverage foundation for your face. This is perfect because it doesn't feel like heavy or cakey or anything like that on your face. It's really good. Honestly, kind of don't know how they did it because usually full coverage foundations are like more heavy and this one's super just lightweight. Great. Great. Alright, now going in with the LA Girl Pro Face Powder and putting this all over my face. I don't want to go in with the RCMA translucent powder anymore. I just feel like that has been drying up for my skin a little bit. Alright, now going in with this peachy shade from the Royal Beauty palette. I'm taking this on my under eye. Alright, now with the M506 brush, going back in with the dark purple shade from the Star Crush Minerals, which is Royal Rage. Alright, now taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit and using this shade right here. And this brush is a Real Techniques blush brush, but we're using it for contour today. Alright, taking our CMA translucent powder and carving that out right there. Alright, going in with a Real Her blush. Going in with these two shades right here. Alright, now setting my face with Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. Now taking the MAC Cosmetics Strip Down Lip Liner, lining my lips with this guy.
Don't believe the narcissism when everyone projects and expects you to listen to them. Make no mistake, I live in a prison that I built myself. It is my religion, and they say that.
And then on top of that, I am going in with Clay Crush matte lipstick from Maybelline.
Welcome to the narcissism. We're united under our indifference.
Alright, then on top of that, going in with Taraji 2 Lip Glass. And then for highlight today, I am going in with Sleek Makeup Highlighting Palette. And going in with this lightest shade right here. Alright guys, this is the completed look.
Don't believe in narcissism when everyone projects and expects you to listen to them. Make no mistake, I live in a prison that I built myself.
Alright guys, I'm going to show you a picture of the look that I was inspired by compared to what I did. I didn't have the same exact colors, like the purple color kind of turned out more blue, but it's okay. So this is the look. Kind of zoom you guys in. So that's the look that I was going for, and then this is the look that I created. Felt like it was pretty close. I really liked the way this look turned out regardless of how much it is alike. That's kind of what's so fun about doing recreations of other people's looks and not always coming up with your own, because you kind of get to get out of your comfort zone sometimes or do stuff that you don't usually do. So this is something that I don't normally do. I don't usually incorporate too many blue colors or anything like purples or anything like that really much into my normal looks. Usually I'm like more of reds, warm colors and stuff like that. So I'm super happy how this look turned out, and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. If you guys like this tutorial, then please give this look a thumbs up, and please turn on my post notifications so you guys can get notified every single time that I post. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.